Good afternoon. My name is Sonny Martinez. I'm a real estate agent in the North Texas area, and come take a walk with me on the sunny side of the street. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Sonny Martinez. I'm a real estate agent in the North Texas area. Today, I'm on location at 3047 Trevino here in Grand Prairie, Texas. It's also part of Mansfield ISD. Shout out to my friends, Lucy, who works down the street, Brad Bonebreak at Lake Ridge High School. Lucy, of course, is at Danny Jones. Anyway, I'm doing a video on buyer uncertainty. Now, as you know, as well as I do, that there's a lot of houses on the market right now, too. And we kind of live in a herd society. I can't tell you, every time I tell someone I'm a real estate agent, they go, oh, those interest rates, those interest rates. Well, it's all perspective. When I bought my first house in 2000, I was a teacher, and I think my salary was around 40,000, 45,000 back then. And I bought my first home as a Pulte home, and I bought it for 140K. And my interest rate was almost 8%, if not 8.25. I can't remember, but it was way up there. And yes, I thought we are stretching beyond our means for a bit. However, if I would have kept the house for a while and sold it later, it would have been over 500K, things like that too. My deal is to get the word out. Look, I get it. Just because the interest, let's say the interest rate is 7%, okay? That doesn't mean you're going to qualify for 7% based on your credit, based on your work history, based on how much you make, based on, if you have multiple incomes. They're trying to get a loan. You might be able to qualify a little bit lower and then ask a real estate agent to hook you up with a lender to see what type of programs there are out there. The other thing, since there's so much inventory in the area that's being sold, you can also ask for help on your closing costs to possibly buy down that interest rate. So please ask those questions. Just because it's 7 doesn't mean you're going to stay at 7. It could be lower. The other thing too is try to get into something and refinance later. And people go, well, I don't want to refinance this. Well, look, I purchased my home right around COVID, and I did a 30-year note. The chances of me making it 30 years are probably about this much, but yes, I want to try to, maybe 40. But the deal is, it's glorified investment rent, the way I look at it too. Now, I'm thinking about selling my home at the end here of the summer and buying something out a little bit west. And I know I'm going to be hit with that interest rate. But the thing is, like, I bought my home again right around COVID. If I sell it, I'm going to make a pretty good chunk of change, which means I lived for free since I've been there. So think about those things too. If you're a renter right now, be cautious. I keep hearing people, well, I think I'm going to sell my house and just rent. Okay, well, you're paying someone else's taxes, you're paying someone else's insurance, and then also later on down the line, their taxes and insurance is going to go up. And guess what? You're going to be paying for it too. So before I move on, I'm going to do a quick short run of this house. I just want to show you the highlights and features. I will have a link to a longer extended video with music. So that way you can kind of go through it. Also, as well as a 3D link to where you can kind of go through the home too. Come by and see us. We have a open house on Saturday. Come by and see us. All right, take care. Okay, so here's my short video. This is the living area in 3047 Trevino. Check out that entertainment center. That is custom. And check out all the windows in this space. This is all natural lighting, folks. The owners were very detailed with walls and things like that too. I mean, it's pretty immaculate, and this home looks like the photos. And then I also want to show you this kitchen. Look at this fantastic kitchen here. Look at all that space. Okay. They had a long table here, and look at all the seating that goes with that table. Of course, everything's wired right here in the huge island. And of course, you have stained flooring. All right. And then also really quick, I want to show you the office. Okay, one last feature I wanted to show you was the front office. Check out the high ceilings. Originally, this was listed as a 5-bedroom home. We listed it as a 4-bedroom plus an office. Check out the windows. This is in front of the home. However, you can convert it back to a 5-bedroom and you will have 3 bedrooms in the lower floor, which is kind of cool. Check out the natural wood, and the French door is right there too. Don't forget, we do have an open house this weekend, 3047 Trevino here in Grand Prairie, Texas. Come and see us, and let's see if we can help you get into this wonderful home. Call me at any time, 817-692-8318, and I'll be happy to help you with any questions you might have. Thank you very much for stopping by and watching my video.